Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best digital oscilloscope in this video? I will show you the top 3 best digital oscilloscope to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Micsig upgraded STO 1004. Specifications: brand name, Aneng. Model number, STO 1000. Real-time sampling rate, 1/s. Display resolution, 800 by 600 pixels. Display size, 7 inches and above. Bandwidth, 100 to 349 MHz. Digital channels, 4. DIY supplies, electrical. Origin, mainland China. The item number 2 is hantek SO2C10. Specifications: brand name, own DIY supplies, electrical. Certification, none. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Micsig 1014D Portable Digital Oscilloscope. Specifications: brand name, Micsig. Record length, storage depth, 240 kilobits. Model number, Micsig 1014D. Real-time sampling rate, 1/s. Display resolution, 800 by 480 pixels. Display size, 7 inches and above. Bandwidth, 100 to 349 MHz. Digital channels, 2. DIY supplies, electrical. Origin, mainland China. Certification, none.